Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, look at me.
Happy birthday to Allison. Happy birthday to you.
All right.
Can I open?
Yeah.
Yes, now you can open. Appreciate you waiting.
Let's see what you got, girl.
Oh.
What is it?
Tree racer.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yes.
Have you seen one of those somewhere?
On TV.
String racer, what's that?
Kindle has not that.
Oh.
Different. Oh, Kindle has that.
You went on it that one day, didn't you? When you were at Kendall's house?
You swing.
Oh.
Whoa, neat.
You lift it up between two trees.
Yeah.
And you jump on and you take a ride. It's
Wow.
called a fun ride.
You have to put bunches of leaves. Okay, Amanda, get your present.
What do you do? What do you do, Amanda?
You get bunches of leaves to draw.
Oh, really?
Or like a chair.
Huh.
Oh, okay.
That's how it works?
But not a chair. Make fall back.
Oh, Allison.
Mhm.
What could it be? Could it be now?
Have to get it for Christmas.
Yeah. What is it? Is there anything in there? Or is it just paper?
Yeah.
Oh. It's musical, Allison. You wind it up.
How? Oh.
Yeah.
Allison, you could have the whole family.
Yeah.
Only if I find my mother wants
Listen,
it.
what's it play? You know that song? You are my sunshine. What do you say to Amanda?
Thank you.
Let's see, Allison.
Allison, I don't know what that little circle thing is.
Oh, that's powder. Face powder.
What? I don't need a ball.
That's a neat one.
Let's see it.
That's a good one for playing with outside. On the driveway. That's a good dancing one.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, Allison got it, but I want
Plexi block.
What could this be, Alan?
Allison, how old are you today?
6. Roller skate, just like Erin.
Whoa.
She's got roller skates.
Yeah.
They're just like Erin.
Well, you know they'll fit then, don't you?
Allison.
Whoa, girl.
If you don't want them, Allison, we can take them back.
I did. Oh, and they're big.
They're just your size. They're the same size that Erin had.
But they're heavy.
What are you going to use them for?
Roller skates.
You know what? You can even skate down on the driveway with them.
When?
Now.
Yeah.
Are these your new birthday skates?
Yes.
Is this it, huh? You're walking away. Bye, Allison.
What?
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Allison. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, 6-year-old. See if you can blow out all those candles, Allison. Make a good wish.
You won't
You
blow.
gotta blow hard. Gotta blow them all out at one time.
Keep going.
Blow them all out, Allison. Yay!
Why can't you put the magic candles in?
Oh, those magic candles are